This is just like my coffee dripper. I saw these in Portugal, I had to get them. More cups in here. Oh, and then they've got crackers, which I'll definitely eat. Ooh, some chocolates. Some nuts. And then here's the mini fridge. Oh, and the coffee here is really good. The coffee in Korea was also really good. Like, this is definitely a pro coffee place. I love that. And Vietnam also supposedly has really good coffee, so I'm excited to try that out and hopefully come home with a few new trinkets for like the coffee makers, coffee filters, and stuff like that. So my husband will be so happy that I'm bringing home more junk. Outfit of the day. Got my Clark's pumps from DSW, and then this pencil skirt is tan. It's thrifted from Poshmark. It's originally Calvin Klein, and then this top is a White House Black Market top, thrifted from Poshmark, and then this necklace was also thrifted from Poshmark. So it is night number 2, I guess. After work, I just went to bed. I was supposed to go to dinner with my coworker, and I felt super nauseous, so I decided to just stay here. I woke up at 10:30 p.m. thinking it was like 6 a.m. I was like, oh no, it's only 10:30. The jet lag is killing me. I just ordered a pizza from room service. Gonna have to go back to sleep after this. I've never ordered room service before, but I'm really excited because it's super fancy. So here's a tour of the room. Super sweet. Bathtub, shower. Got one of those fancy shower heads. Just took a bath. Craps all over the counter. And these nice sliding doors, full-length mirrors, and then the closet lights up. So that's pretty nice, especially for the morning when it's dark. And get some complimentary slippers. Nice little bed. Just made it for me. Ooh, and dragon fruit. Remember this from Hawaii, it's pretty good. TV ironing board that I used this morning. Little desk. And then here's the view outside. Bangkok. And a little coffee station, fridge, and then storage for my snacks. And then all the coffee. And yeah, I'm about to take a nap. So after an eventful weekend, I finally am going to get the chance to get the full body massage or full body scrub. I'm getting a 3-thing package, combo package. I'm getting a facial, detox facial, full body scrub, and then full body massage, which will be so nice, especially since I have something going on with my right calf. I don't know what it is exactly, but the muscle's really tender and sore, and has been since I took my 24 or 25 hour flight, or however long it was. It's really seized up, so I've been massaging it, and that makes it feel better. Then it comes back like every night, or when I'm riding in the car. When I was riding in the taxi this weekend, and I was sitting down for a long period of time and not moving my leg, so I'm hoping to get that worked out. So we just got back from the mall, picked up some new luggage since my luggage is broken. The handle broken right here. So I got this nice teal luggage, or seafoam green, I guess the coloring. And then I bought a new pair of jeans since I didn't bring jeans on this trip. They won't let you in, so I didn't want to bring jeans because, you know, it's super humid. We're in the, you know, tropics, so I didn't think I'd need any. But you can't get into a lot of places here, like the lounge and the hotel. You can't get into restaurants if you're not wearing nice pants. Shorts aren't allowed. Open-toed shoes aren't allowed. Bought a cheap pair of jeans and then a new pair of sunglasses because mine are bothering the hell out of me. I bought slightly more expensive ones. They were a little expensive, so hopefully they'll last a few years. When I was coming out here, actually on my way to the airport in DC, the handle broke, and then it snapped off completely on the flight. So I went out and bought new luggage, and I was like, oh yeah, this suitcase is the same size as the one I have, but it's clearly much bigger. I was kind of wondering because I was like, I didn't have any problem fitting all my stuff that I bought in this suitcase. This is way bigger. It was like $100. The U.S. Polo Association. More than I usually spend on luggage, but I just figured I need to invest in something a little bit more durable for all these trips because I can't afford to have the handle breaking. Oh, this one's stuck. Follow me for more travel content.